I was actually wondering why the frisbee kept getting bigger and bigger that it hit me. All right, that's a terrible joke. Anyway, now that I've blurred your vision, let's zoom into something a little bit sharper. Smart glasses. Yeah, so we are talking about Google's upcoming AI glasses, as well as Meta's upcoming AI glasses, which is code name Hypernova. I will say 2025 is going to be shaping up to be a really slick year for wearables. But the question that I want to answer in this video today is which one is going to provide a better user experience? Yeah, so if you care about sleek designs and discreet ways to control your tech, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. And best of all, it is absolutely free. Yeah, so both Google and Meta are cooking up some pretty cool smart glasses. These glasses have built-in displays, AI, and some pretty cool ways to interact with the glasses UI itself. All this without having to pull out your smartphone. Yeah, so let's talk about the Meta glasses. I personally think these are probably the coolest ones of the two, but you'll be able to decide which one works better. So a couple features that we should see with these glasses is a 12 megapixel camera, open ear speakers, which is similar to what we have right now with the current Meta Ray-Bans. You're going to get a display in the lower right-hand corner of the glasses, so you can see notifications and just important information. It's going to have a 5 mic array, so I'm guessing this is going to be good for noise cancellation, taking phone calls, and things of that sort. The one thing that this is going to have, which is really cool, is going to have a wristband that you put on that communicates with the glasses itself, called the Ceres wristband. Not like Siri, like Apple, but Ceres. I think it's spelled Ceres. This uses a pretty cool technology called electromyography, and it can read your muscle signals. So if you make a gesture, it will know exactly what you're doing with your hand, which is really cool. I have seen Meta demo this wristband on YouTube, and it seems pretty accurate. So it's going to be really cool to see how this works. It's sort of like putting a mouse on your wrist. And I feel like this is probably going to be the best way to go because it's going to be a super discreet way to navigate the user interface for the smart glasses itself. So I am really excited to try this out. And I think this is going to be where the beginning of, I think, the smartphone will begin to die, particularly when this technology comes out, and then in the next, few years of the technology be coming out, you'll start seeing the price point go down. So really excited to try this out. Definitely going to be an early adopter for this technology. All right, so let's talk about the Google smart glasses. Now, these are kind of cool as well. And it does seem more as if this is going to be using Android XR as well as Gemini AI to give you the ability to engage with your environment. It's going to be using the technology, let me see what it is, context-aware interaction. And pretty much, to kind of put it in simple terms, is it's going to be able to remember everything you've done. So if you were at, let's say, a restaurant, and you want to give a review for the server, you could ask your glasses, hey, what was that server's name? Because it's, to some extent, from what I understand, recording everything that's going on around you, which is on one part kind of cool, but on another end, like, I don't know if I want to do that. But yeah, so that is the big difference between the Google glasses and the Meta glasses. I don't know which one will be better or which one will execute in a better manner. I do like the more discreet way of engaging with the UI for the smart glasses as opposed to using my voice. Of course, you will have the ability to swipe your glasses, but no one wants to do that, and it does look kind of weird, in my opinion. People swiping all around their glasses. I don't even do it with these glasses that much. I might press the button, and that is pretty much it. But yeah, what do you guys think? Are you for the Meta glasses, or are you for the Google smart glasses? Me personally, I think my money is with the Meta glasses. Otherwise, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I would definitely like to hear. And I kind of want to get this conversation going now, since we're almost at the halfway point of the year. And that means we should start to see marketing start to appear from Google and Meta in terms of a release date, which we don't know at this point from either company. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you're excited about picking up a pair of these glasses, or if you're someone who's going to be waiting for Apple to come out with their pair. As we know, Apple tends to take their time with this type of stuff. But me personally, I am not going to be waiting for Apple, even though I'm a big Apple fanboy. But with that said, thanks again for watching the video. Thanks for watching to the end. And I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Again, I mentioned it a little bit earlier, but it really helps out the channel. And listen, if you made it to the end of the video, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. Obviously, I'm giving you something that you want. With that said, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm starting to ramble. Bye-bye.